back with another tutorial. It is winter time in the US, across the country, and I wanted to show a couple of the nice accessories that we have for the Mima Xari. So this is a collection of a couple of different ways that we can use the accessories to protect your baby. So I'm going to just start with this one. This is the winter outfit. Now when you receive your box, the winter outfit is going to come complete with a hand muff, and this just simply wraps and snaps right on around, similar to the Ziggy tutorial we recently did. Inside you'll see that, and this is a faux fur. This is not, we are a cruelty-free company with a leatherette, so it's not real leather, just so you know. Don't have Peter calling me. I kid. So yeah, and this just snaps right on around for each part here, and this will keep mom and dad's hands warm during the winter. Next up, I'm going to move down to this piece. This is going to be the cover for the Canopy. Now, what's cool about this is that the fur is optional. You can actually just go here, and I don't know if Daniela, you can get in there. I'm going to step over here so you can see this a little better. And this one, by the way, is in the champagne. I know people are going to ask. This is the champagne. Isn't it gorgeous? There's a zipper that just comes right off here. So you can add this or keep it or not. It's up to you if you want that extra bit of fur trim, okay? Now with the Canopy, the way that you adhere this, there's a Velcro piece, see? And I'm gonna take this all the way off so you can see the full piece on here. It's really easy to adhere. There's two ways to do this. There's the Velcro, that'll just attach here, or there's a snap, and I'll show you in a moment what the snap is used for, because there's actually a plastic piece if you're not gonna use the fur. So you're gonna take this, there's a hole here. I'm gonna turn this one around, and you'll see that I'm just gonna make sure that the hole goes through. Slide that right on over. That secures it in place from the back. On the side here, I'm gonna feed this on the back side, okay? And the little strap, lost it there. This little strap is gonna get fed right in between the chassis, around there, and then the Velcro just meets with the rest of the Velcro there. You see that? Does that show okay? All right, and then around the front, we're just gonna pull this on forward. You'll see we have the Canopy fully extended. That does need to be fully extended, of course. If you're using this for winter time, that's the point. You're not gonna have the Canopy all the way back. You're gonna protect your baby. Feed this into the back again, and then the Velcro piece on this side just goes right in there, and we're gonna again use the Velcro, which is on that side. I don't know if you can get down and see that piece there, and I'm just gonna again meet the Velcro with the Velcro so that it locks in place. So now we've got the Canopy on, and if you want, like I said, the zipper, you can use that with the fur or not. Let's move down to the foot muff. Now the foot muff is used similar to the Ziggy. It's going to be used to protect your baby. So it's not going to just necessarily be attached to the stroller. You'll see that this is separate from the part of the stroller. It's simply just secured with a Velcro piece. So let me take this off so you can see the full piece. But this is just Velcro. No, put this back so you can see a little bit better. It's secured with the Velcro so that it's in the seatbelt and it doesn't slide. And on this side, okay. You see that? Just take the straps out. And then down here on the center piece, from the center. There we go. And that's where we're just attaching that. And just Velcroing it back. Very simple, but it keeps your baby so much warm. That extra layer of protection. I mean, this is a very thick fabric here with padding and everything to keep the baby warm and snuggled up for the winter. All right, I'm gonna go on to the next piece. This is now the camel. And by the way, this was the royal blue, the Xari in the royal blue. I'm gonna go on to this one. Now remember I was saying that if you're not going to use the fur, this is the other option that you have. Now this is just a piece. Notice if you, I don't know that it really shows up on film, but there is a perforated holes through there. So I don't think that's gonna probably show, but this is completely perforated. So there's complete breathing. It's not, you know, just a plastic piece, but it does protect from a lot of that rain and the sleet and the snow that you may have around. So this is just zippered on. Again, the same piece. Now the one difference with the fur trim, how we had that, is that this piece has a snap. And that's what that little snap in the back of the Canopy is for, so that now you can go around and just snap that closed. There we go. okay? And so now that's completely put together. Very simple. Now I am going to take this off. I want to show you the last part of the winter outfit, the second part of it, and it's much easier if I don't have this on here. And again, you'll see how easy that is just to snap and unvelcro it right off. You know, if you don't need it, or you know, keep it in your trunk of your car and use it when you need to. But this is the base of the winter outfit. Now this actually goes with a safety bar as well, but I'm going to show it to you without it for now. And how this actually goes all the way around. There we go. Okay, so take a look at this. This is actually has a full space here. It does go all the way around the Xari, the seat box, okay? It does protect. So you're gonna slip it on like a sleeve around that piece. You see that? And now this piece, just like with the Canopy, this just wraps around the chassis and it snaps into place. So I'm gonna feed it through and I'm gonna snap it here in place, okay? I'm sorry, I'm trying to show you, but I can't quite snap it. I'm standing there. Okay, and then you know what? I actually, Danielle, I need a bumper bar for this to show the other piece of this part of it. So if you want to just hold that there while you're showing that, I'm going to grab a bumper bar. All right, so this is a bumper bar or safety bar. If you don't have this, I think that's actually kind of good, because these pieces here, your Xari always comes with these little pieces. This is in replacement if you're not going to use the bumper bar. These are so that your baby doesn't put their fingers or get their fingers trapped in there. So if you ever think you've got just some random parts, know that this is actually to protect your baby's fingers. So always use this or the bumper bar for those little holes on the side, okay? That's just some note to keep in mind there. Now I'm going to snap this in, pushing this bar. On both sides, I'm doing the same thing. Now, the two little hook and eyes that are here on the bottom portion of the winter outfit, this goes inside and it wraps around so that it protects it. It kind of fur lines the bumper bar. Very, very luxurious, really, really nice. And then just hooks right on in. And that's it. See how that stays up now with the snap and this piece here. And I'm just going to repeat that on this side as well. The hook and that piece. Let me turn this all the way around so you're getting a great view there. This around. This goes, feed it on around too. I'm left-handed, so this is like super awkward for me, but there we go. And it snaps into place there. Okay. So now we've got the full winter outfit on the base there, winter outfit done. So you'll see the full line here that we have. There's a lot of different options for keeping your baby warm this winter, whether it be with the foot muff that's keeping them cozy, or if you want to use something like the Canopy with either the wind protector or with the fur that's lining, like we have here on the bassinet. There's just so many different options. Don't forget, we also have the parasols that are going to also help with the rain that you may see. So good luck this season, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.